You guys want to guess what it looks like? Low flying insects means it will rain. Yeah, rain is wonderful right now. Hello everyone, this is JeboOutdoors, and today we will be carving. I don't know what I'm going to be carving, but we will find a piece of wood and see. Other than that, it's beautiful weather. I got surrounded by birds and wildlife. It's so chill over here in the shade, even though it's so hot outside down in the village where I'm located at. Tune in to see more. Okay, it will be a lot easier and softer to work with this stick right here, but like this guy looks so much better to me, so I'll get started with this, just taking some of the outer layers and see if it's going okay. Then I'm gonna start carving. Shortening of this guy kind of went well. Looks kind of heavy to me, but let's see. Let's kind of test it. But look at the grain, it's beautiful. Hard work, but it's gonna be worth it. Man, this wood sounds really great. Now, if you guys want to guess what it looks like, please leave a comment what it looks like. I like to see things in the tree branches, Some look like chandeliers, some look like fish, some look like cup to me. And I already know what I'm gonna be carving. It's not that like hard to do it, if you have a little imagination and creativity. So that's how I see it, and you still have a chance to guess what this is or what this looks like. I managed to get under the rain right now, and it's gonna be heavy. Looks like I'll probably finish this first episode on this note, and then I'm gonna do little detailed work later on, because I don't want to get wet. Does it look like a U-boat to you? It does to me. I'm not planning to stay overnight. here, so I need to get out. Wow. So I left yesterday because it rained, and it's the next day and it rains again. So I don't have a choice to finish this video, to finish my carving today. I skipped my video posting today. It's Saturday, so hopefully I'll be posting Sunday morning, and it will be a long night because I have to edit the video to post it tomorrow morning. So we'll see. Everything's wet around me, so it looks like it will be rainy carving day, or carving in the rain. We'll see how it goes. There's no dry spot whatsoever, so I'll probably go back to the bench. Okay, what I want to do is make a captain's bridge, but it's beautiful as it is if you have imagination, but I want to make it more U-boat looking. Take this off. Got a little extra right here. I got lots of grain issues. View from the side, from front, and from the back. Hope it stands. Yeah, it should be floating underwater, so decided to shorten these just like so, and should be better looking antennas now. I'll probably do some more modifications. It will float for sure, that I know, and it's gonna fill up my collection. It's a pity I don't have my, Sharpie, so I can draw like the torpedo base right in the front and in the back, and do some minor painting if you would. But I'm pretty happy how it came out, and my knife is absolutely dull now because this is hardwood, but was a pure satisfaction. Hope you guys enjoyed watching me, and here you go, little imaginary U-boat carved in the rain. See you next time. Bye. But we're happy because it was hot.